Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious nut pie. First, gather all your ingredients, including 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cold unsalted butter, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. You'll also need about 2 cups of your preferred nuts, like pecans or walnuts. Make sure your pie dish is ready, and chill your prepared pie crust dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling it out. Now let's prepare the crust and filling. Roll out your chilled pie dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Gently transfer it to your 9-inch pie dish, pressing it in without stretching. Trim excess dough, leaving a 1/2 inch overhang, then crimp the edges. For the filling, combine 2 cups of chopped nuts, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, 3 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. With your crust and filling ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the rich nut filling into your prepared pie crust, spreading it evenly. Place the pie on a baking sheet to catch any potential drips. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 40 to 50 minutes, or until the center is set. Once your nut pie is beautifully golden brown and the center is set, carefully remove it from the oven. It's crucial to let the pie cool completely on a wire rack. This cooling process should take at least 3 hours, allowing the filling to firm up and achieve the perfect texture. Rushing this step can result in a runny pie. When fully cooled, slice and serve your delicious homemade nut pie, perhaps with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.